Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi aphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mawusamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngizobe ngifaka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingaphosti izindaba ngenza njengamanje ngabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje udakulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana impela-ke kushubile-ke laphana-ke kwi-GNU-na-ke laphana-ke kugwegwa-ke imibono-ke laphana-ke kumaqembu-ke alapha kwi-GNU kakhulukazi phakathi-ke kwe-DA ne-ANC-na-ke laphana-ke. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina-ke ukuthi-ke okuningi wakuzwa ngempela nje nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo-ke yomunye-ke wasisi-ke laphana-ke echaza-ke veza okuningi-ke konke nanokuthi-ke kuqale kanjani-ke lapha ngicela masizuleke le video ngene ma-comment section-ke futhi uvo lwakho ukuthi na ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lelo daba-ke lelo-ke bese ngixhasa ucindezeleke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje zobe ngifaka kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Siyakhala kwi-GNU ke sana. So Steenhuisen is throwing tantrums. In fact, the whole DA is throwing tantrums because President Ramaphosa is in Russia, and President Ramaphosa said Russia is our ally, they are our friends. So DA has distanced themselves from President Julius Malema, from President Kujabule, CIC. So EDA has distanced themselves from Ramaphosa. My question is, how can you distance yourself from Ramaphosa? Kani government inonk. Whatever Ramaphosa is saying in Russia, DA is included because they are in the GNU. Unless they say we quit with GNU. And yes, betunan. Like, how can you distance yourself? Quinto. Or we government now, but you are just, how is the DA distancing themselves from Ramaphosa? So is Ramaphosa going to ignore them? So Steenhuisen posted something on Twitter, on X, and then Gaten McKenzie came into the mix and retweeted that what come on, didn't find the guys. Hey, I say your drama, I South Africa. Hi bo, CP. So Steenhuisen posted and said the DA distances itself from the recent comments made by President Ramaphosa during a bilateral engagement with Russia, President Vladimir Putin, where he stated that Russia is a valuable ally and a friend. Gaten McKenzie gets into the mix and he retweets and he says that the president made a huge mistake. So Gaten McKenzie says the president made a huge mistake by leaving you behind. He should have taken you with, and you would have smiled and laughed with President Putin, just like you did with President Xi. You are not speaking on behalf of government. The president does go back to work. The president does. Oh, you are not speaking on behalf of the government. The president does. Go back to work now, minister. Hey. Iwariam bayakakamelana kwi-public son. Bebe ngeno busy meeting. Bayakakamelana kwi-public. I'm going to do another video now because I see Prof Tonton, the ex-prof of UCT, she also wrote a long thing there. So I think I need to post it on a separate thing. Yebetunana. Tisokolisa episode yami YouTube kesana and the poster. You can find the thing on YouTube as well, guys. Hayi kushushe South Africa.